Welcome to Spill the Beans. This channel is about bringing you, the consumer, into the world of Malaysian F&B. In this episode, we learn another big kitchen secret from Chef Ryan.
Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a chef and I'm a co-owner of the Yellow Brick Road and Business at Tribeca. Today I'm going to show you how to make Eggscellent Poached Eggs. Let's go! Okay, we're going to need fresh eggs. As fresh as possible, straight out of the chicken's ass. Now we're going to need a pot of water with a vinegar in it at a ratio 1 to 10. Bring it to the boil. Now, let it simmer like this. Give the water a little swirl with a spoon. What we want to do here is we try to create a vortex, not like a freaking whirlpool. Eggs are fragile, so no aggressive movement in the water, okay? The secret here is the height of the pot, so use a big one, yeah? So now keep the vortex going. We need to keep the eggs like this for 1 to 2 minutes. And when it flows up, it's done. Scoop it out with a strainer and put it on a plate with a towel to absorb the excess water. And voila. Of course, always use the freshest egg because perfect poached eggs have whites that are completely set but yolk that are still running. Like this. And this. Excellent. Okay, now we know how to make perfect poached eggs. So let's make some really crappy ones. Fresh eggs have a thinner outer albumen and a thick inner albumen. Don't break the thick inner albumen. It is easy to be careless when you are cracking the egg, so don't be careless, okay? I'm going to break the inner albumen here with a spoon, so we can see what happens next. Here we go. Check that out. That's a really screwed up egg. You can already see how the whites has abandoned the yolk because the membrane is broken. For comparison, let's put in an unbroken egg. Let's swirl it a bit while they cook. Alright, so this is the broken egg. And this is the unbroken one. As you can see, the white of the broken egg has totally lost its integrity and shape. Definitely not a perfect result, right? So this here is the perfect poached egg. See how it is beautifully shaped. And here we have the sad, pitiful broken egg. Look at all these wonderful, delicious poached eggs. Now you can do it at home too.
In the next episode of Spill the Beans, Jason shows us how to make a perfect brew right at home. If you like what you see, click subscribe. See you next time.